Yeah. Hello everyone. Today's talk to is Bayer Crop Science Limited. Bayer is a global enterprise with core competencies in the life science fields of healthcare and agriculture. Globally, there are 524 food chain partnerships of Bayer across 44 countries in 76 different crops. Started in the year 1958, company contributes 46% share in Bayer's sales. Bayer Crop Science Limited is engaged in the manufacturing of crop protection products like herbicides, insecticides, seed treatment, non-agriculture pest control, seeds, and plant biotechnology. It is best positioned to discover, combine, and tailor solutions for growers. It has it has leading germplasm libraries in corn, soybean, cotton, and vegetables. It protects harvest against damaging weeds, insects, diseases, and stresses like drought and heat. It helps in enhance productivity and sustainability. It helps in improving the quality and characteristics of harvested crops to meet the needs from shelf to seed to shelf. Its diversity of germplasm based on seed companies and global assets acquired over more than 20 years helps generate more than 1 million new genetic combinations each year. It uses proprietary seed chipping technology which enables breeder to know every seed. Along with crop science, company is also into pharmaceuticals and consumer health. Now let's talk about industry. India stands fourth in the agrochemicals management and its current market value is $1.4 billion. It is estimated that market will grow steady accordingly. CAGR will be 8 to 9%. Indian agrochemicals market will be driven by the growth in herbicides and fungicides is ahead. Exports will likely grow on account of supply distribution from China and India being viewed as an assured supplier for chemicals. Now let us talk about the QGLP. So firstly, the quality of business and management. Company is involved in closer channel management and separate grower engagement. It is emphasized on strengthening of their large tooth program, which aims to increase per acre earnings and qualitative yield of for farmers. Talking about growth, in financial year 2018 to 19, the company successfully launched 12 new products, 7 in the crop protection, 4 in hybrid seeds, and 1 in environmental science. Company successfully completion of legal merger with integration activities well on track. Hybrid seeds can adapt to low rainfall and give farmer 50% incremental yield. So company launches 4 kind of products in this kind of technology. Now let us talk about longevity of the company. The new offering from environmental science uses water as a diluent instead of diesel, which provides operational cost advantage to farmers. This launch represents Bayer's first product introduction in the space spray segment in 20 years. Company's GenPlus library helps in generating more than 1 million plus genetic combinations per year. As we can see, the stock price PE ratio at 56.05, which is far more than industry PE, which is at 37.97. So we can say that the investors' demand for a company share. It indicates increase in demand of shares because investors anticipate higher earning growth in the future. Now Kapil will take over.
As we move on to the financials of this company, the story in graph will say that EBITDA has been continuously declining since the 2015 to 2019. It may be because of the company company because of the delayed in the monsoon have subsequently we have seen after 2013 we have seen declining in monsoon. The sometimes the early monsoon come and sometimes delayed in the monsoon. So the sowing crop have the severely affect this country sector. But this company margins are way above the sector average. So, and also we can talk about returns on equity. What we have in returns on equity. So the company simply put that to be is used to assess the profitability of a company in relation to its equity share capital. So what we can say that is ROE is subsequently here I have taken the ROE for the 5 years, CAGR for the 5 years, and then compare, and hence since I compare it, so it is declining on an average because and in past 5 years it has been on a decline. But the company is retaining 81% of its profit, so it signifies that company have futures plans. And also the EBITDA has been maintained throughout, and the PAT has also seen the decline, but maintained. The company has maintained is possibly able to maintain the market share, and also company has well competitive among its peer members. That the major market share market capitalization is for the UPL and the PI Industries, and the Bayer is not far behind from there. So the average growth is also this time has been seen in a negative, but on an industry average it is growing much because of the core company support. The core company is much more stronger than this Indian representative company. So what we done, let's move on the risk and concern sector. So when we talk about the risk associated with this, because this company is dealing with the agribusiness, thus it has exposure to social and macroeconomic economical trends. The farmer liquidity is on the low level, so due to unseasonal rainfall and hailstorm, thus the high channel inventory impacting the channel liquidity also. So, and also due to the COVID-19 situation, what we have seen in recent past, the crop season got affected, and it was affected severely. To counter this, the Bayer had also come into the partnership with the agro staff for the home delivery of agriculture input, which shows that the Bayer has the innovation type of capacity, so it can rebuild itself. So, next we move on. Earning have declined, and high volatility of the prices is also the main liquidity risk concern for the Bayer. At last, we want to conclude with that the insecticides and fungicides are the best crop protection, which is the product which is from the Bayer crop science in India. The agriculture has given the respect, which is a correct respect in the current stimulus package in the situation of COVID-19 of 20 lakh crore rupees. And also the weather forecast is good, predicted good monsoon and favorable demand. With the government support, this sector is more likely to improve, because there are many provisions for the infrastructure development in the recent package. So it may likely to develop market for this company. The acquisition of also the in the past years it has acquired the Monsanto, which is an attractive opportunity to the advanced next generation farming. The Monsanto is a company which was earlier dealing with the what we call the next generation crop, what we call biological crop, and also the strong portfolio pipeline to capture the new segment and opportunity as the Monsanto it's captured. And at lastly, the Bears exceed the Indian chemical industry returns. Now I may like to open for the question.